How to disable ad blocker in Chrome. First of all, just open your Chrome like you normally do. So, if you talk about ad blocker, then ad blocker is a thing that helps you to block the ads that are not necessary or are harmful for your device. But when you disable the ad blocker, any ads will be seen on your phone. So let's see how you can do that. To do that, you will go through an interface like this, and on the top right side you will see 3 vertical dots. And when you tap on it, just click on the setting option. After clicking on the second setting option, scroll down and click on privacy and security option. And again click on add privacy. And now click on site suggested ads. And now if you turn it off, then your Google will now show you any ad, but when you turn it on, it will be enabled. To disable it, just turn it off. And yes, this is how you do it. I hope you like our video. If you like the video, please do subscribe our channel.